Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus Nord 2T, and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Device, which may be quite strange for you, but we have to first of all enable the developer options. So here in About Device, let's enter the version and keep tapping on the build number until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. So now we can go back to the general settings and tap on system settings. Here, let's scroll down to the very bottom and tap on developer options. And basically here, all you have to do is to simply scroll down in order to find this option, automatic system updates. As you can see, they are currently turned off. So in order to turn it on, just tap on the switch on it. And from this moment, this option is active, which means that your device is allowed to apply the updates when it will be restarted. So basically, you do not really need to do anything manually from now on. Your device will simply do it for you. Just remember about restarting it. Of course, you can turn it off just by tapping on the switcher again. So actually, this is it. This is how to activate automatic system updates in your Nord 2T. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.